In today's video, we are going to cover how to print the general ledger in QuickBooks Online. Begin from your QuickBooks Online dashboard and look to the left-hand menu. This is where you will find the main navigation for reports, transactions, and other areas of your company file. Click Reports to open the reporting section. Once Reports is open, select Standard Reports. This takes you to the main report library, where QuickBooks groups commonly used financial and accounting reports. If you are already on a reports page with several tabs or categories visible, make sure Standard Reports is the section you are viewing before you continue. Next, go to the search box labeled Find Report by Name. Click into that field and type General Ledger. As you enter the name, QuickBooks will begin showing matching report results. Watch the search results carefully and select General Ledger when it appears. Make sure you choose the report itself from the list, not just the search field result, so QuickBooks opens the correct ledger report page. After the General Ledger report opens, move to the report period setting. This is where you choose the date range for the ledger you want to print. Select a period that matches the records you need. Depending on your setup, this could be a preset date range or a custom period. Take a moment here to confirm the dates are correct, since the printed report will reflect whatever period is currently selected. If you need to adjust how the report appears, click Customize. This step is optional, but it is useful when you want to refine what is included before printing. In the customization options, you can adjust the accounts shown, apply filters, change columns, or review other report settings available for this report. If you make changes here, check that the settings match the version of the ledger you want to print. When the report period and any optional customizations are set, click Run Report. QuickBooks will generate the general ledger report using the settings you selected. If the page takes a moment to refresh, wait for the report to finish loading before moving on. This ensures the on-screen version matches what will be sent to print. With the completed report visible on screen, go to the upper right corner and click the print icon. This opens the print option for the general ledger report so you can send it to your printer. From there, follow your browser or system print window as needed to complete the print process. Your general ledger report is now generated and ready to print in QuickBooks Online.